In this video, I will guide you on how to reserve your WhatsApp username. First, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. To check, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search WhatsApp. Now, if you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Then launch open the WhatsApp. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, find the option of settings, tap on that. Now from this list, find the option of account and select that. Here you should be able to find the option of username, tap on it. Here it says usernames are coming, you can reserve yours today. So to reserve, tap on the create username option. You can also use your Facebook or Instagram username as well. Now go ahead and type in your username over here. WhatsApp will show you if it is available or not. If it is available, then you can go ahead and tap on the save option at the bottom of your screen. Once that is done, as you can see, your username has been reserved. Now you want to tap on the done option. WhatsApp will let you know once your username is ready to use. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.